Building a website for your property management business shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your property management service. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MartySites yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, property management. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. You also have the option to select the general service business template. Great. Let's on MartySites a few basic details about our property management business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state, or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will literally generate a website for your business instantly and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be giving you a quick overview on how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the MartySites platform that makes us a little bit different from other website builders is the content is actually pre-written for you, specific to your market. We've also pre-selected all the images as well, specific to your market as well. But of course, if you've got your own images and you'd like to change up the contents a bit, make it a bit more personalized to your business, you can absolutely do so. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to do that. As mentioned, you don't need to know any coding, you don't need to have any web development skills. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone, so you definitely don't need to be very tech savvy. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, pop in my email address for my business, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so let's go ahead and check that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, maybe you're on mobile or online business, for example, leave it off. But once you put your address in, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms for your business. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to update logo. Over here, you can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on the pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors, all you need to do is click on that handy paint bucket. Go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. You're bound to find one that's suitable for your business and your marketing message and branding. To change each section, just click on that handy button underneath it. Over here, you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and pull in those photos. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom is where you'll find a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Now, if you were clever and you purchased a custom domain already, that was a very smart move, because having a custom domain for your business makes it more professional, look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. You absolutely can connect it. MartySites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your domain really easy. Go ahead and click on that button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you absolutely can purchase one by the MartySites platform by clicking on I want a new domain. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your property management service. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any questions about the platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. All the best.